Right, so now we are at page 3 of your notes. You are asked to actually write the chemical formula for iron 3 nitrate. Okay, so first step, write the ions. So iron 3 ion, the formula will be Fe3+. I don't have to refer to the periodic table for the charges simply because I am able to tell from the bracket. How about nitrate? Nitrate ion, it is a polyatomic ion, so I will have to refer over here. That's why I say you have to memorize. You won't be able to find this in the periodic table. So what I have to do, 3 minus. What's next? Okay, so remember, always check if the charges are balanced. Let's see the number of positive ions. And nitrate, 1 negative. So they are not equal. So what do I have to do? I would have to increase the negative charges. That means I will have to increase the number of negative ions to that of 3 positive. So how would it look like? Fe3 plus will still remain, but now nitrate, I need to have 3 of it. Only then it is equal. Okay, now they are equal. Now this is a very crucial point. You need to be able to tell how to write. I want to introduce you to something called a bracket in the chemical formula. I want you to see the difference. If I were to write 3 and there's 3 of it, what does it look like now? It looks like there are 33 atoms for oxygen element or atom, okay? Which is not right. So to be honest, the chemist actually came up with something, which is this. O3 and 3. So this actually represents there are 3 sets of nitrate ions. Okay? So always remember polyatomic ion. We have more than one, we'll need a bracket.